When you grow your own leafy green vegetables, you often find unwanted caterpillars and insects eating your plants before you get a chance to harvest them. Can you see these tiny green and grey caterpillars happily eating away at my vegetables? Here is a simple method on how to make your own eco-friendly garden insect spray at home. You need a 2-liter spray bottle, 1 cup white vinegar, 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon plant-based dish soap, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1.8 liter of water. Add the vinegar, baking soda, plant-based dish soap, and salt to a large bucket and mix them well. Then fill the spray bottle with the mixture. See those tiny green caterpillars eating my leafy vegetables? Spray the homemade solution directly onto the caterpillars and affected areas, and also along and under the leaves. You won't be able to completely eliminate the garden pests, but regular weekly monitoring and treatment can help minimize damage, giving your vegetable the best chance to grow and provide a healthy harvest for you and your family. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more upcoming gardening videos. As always, happy gardening!